friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video I'm going to review a pair of slide and slippers here, and these are from Adidas slide and slippers. Adidas Adilette slide and slippers is what I have here, and this is how it comes packaged from Amazon in a plastic bag, right? So let's go ahead and check them out. So first of all, let's remove the slippers out of the plastic bag. And here these are the slippers. Okay, these are the Adidas Adilette slippers here. Adilette shower slippers from Adidas. And today we are going to review these slippers. So these are slide and slippers Adidas right here. So let's start off with the review of it. So these slippers come on with this hanger here, which you can keep your slippers. You can see the Adidas branding right here itself. Also on the slippers you'll have this Adidas branding right here on the side of the slipper. Both the slippers have that. On the sole of on the bed of the sole also we have the Adidas branding right here, right? Then the foam that is used, these are cloud foam slippers, so they are very light, and you can see the cloud foam branding right here on the side of slipper. Cloud foam is written right there. Below the slipper again we have the Adidas branding right here. We have the Adidas branding as well. Now coming to the quality of the slipper, so you can see there's a hand stitch here, which will make sure that this part doesn't come off. So there's a stitch that is there, and it's not just that it has been stuck there, but it has also been stitched to it. So that is a great part here of the slipper, which will increase the life of the slipper basically. Again, coming to the quality here, the material used here is very nice and soft, and here are the original brand bands right here, 3 bands as we can see. Similar thing here, and here is the price tag that they have put here. So this is Adidas Adilette shower slip-on slippers, right? So here the size that I have is number 10, so they are given the size on this. The size is mentioned on slipper also right here below. So very comfortable and very nice slippers these are. Like, I have been using them for quite some time, and this is a new pair that I bought. So very nice and very comfortable. I really like it. Overall comfort level is quite good. And now moving on, let's check out these slippers are available on Amazon. And now let's check out the price of these slippers. So the MRP of this slippers is rupees something between 2,700 to 3,500. They come in that range, but right now with the Great Indian Sale, these slippers are available on Amazon for just 1,300, 1,299, right? So the best time to grab these slippers. These are some amazing slippers here from Adidas, very comfortable and nice. So if you all are looking to buy the Adidas Adilette shower slippers, these ones, they are available on Amazon right now and at an amazing price of 1,299. So go ahead, I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And these are some amazing slippers. So you can see, you can completely bend them over and it will not have any effect. Very flexible slippers these are, and very nice quality, like a very nice quality with a very thick sole bed here, which gives you ultimate comfort while walking. And they're very light on your legs, so that's the best part. You will not feel like you're wearing any slippers or anything heavy on your legs. So it gives you the comfort of walking barefooted wearing slippers. That's the best part of this. Overall, I really like the quality of these slippers. They last really long, so yeah, it's worth the investment. So guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.